Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a note making strategy from the Hindu newspaper for UPSC. ओके, आज हम नोट्स बनाना सीखेंगे यूपीएससी के लिए ई नोट्स कैसे बनाते हैं. ओके, दैट्स माय द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. ओके फाइन, आई विल शो यू माय ई नोट्स. वेट फॉर अ मिनट. See, one note. Okay, I will show you my notebooks. Wait for a minute. See, that's my notebook page. See, that's the notebook in my OneNote. ठीक है. In that one notes I had divide my notebooks like prelims fact, GS1, 2, GS3, GS4, sociology paper 1, sociology paper 2 and essay. That's my optional. Okay, I will show you prelims facts. Open this and there should be some see, I had divided it into indexes and ranking of the India so that I can easily revise it on the day of exam. Okay, I will show you my more notes. That's the notebook of GS1. In notebook of GS1 there is see different notebooks which cover every topic of the syllabus of mains UPSC: art and culture, ancient, medieval, freedom struggle, post independence, society, physiography, climatology, oceanography, economic geography and so on. Okay, I will show you one portion like society, and there is role of women. I will show you some notes of mine on role of women which I had made from the Hindu newspaper. Wait for a minute, I will show. See, that's my notes. That's my notes on from Hindu newspaper on women. I had also when I didn't get time, then I click the photo of Hindu newspaper and connect it here, attached it here, and it's very useful because in eNote we can easily make the table and use it. For example, see here I divide the columns and write the data so that I easily revise it at the time of exam. Okay, I will show you some other notes of GS1. That's it's on population and associated issues. Now move on towards the GS2. That's the copy of GS2 which cover four part: constitution, governance, social justice and international relation. Just like constitution, it contains every part of the UPSC main syllabus: historical evolution, federal structure, separation of powers and extra. I will show you notes on separation of powers. See, I had made these notes from the Hindu newspaper, judiciary and all. Next. In the help in the e-noting is that we can easily edit the notes and easily add the points from newspaper. ठीक है, it's better than handwritten notes. ठीक है, there is I made whole notes and now the turn is governance. ठीक है, there also I had made the notes just like regulation, institutional measures. See, that's I made the notes. ठीक है, just like I had made another notes. Now I will show you GS3 notebook. See, that's the GS3. It also divided into certain section: technology, biodiversity, agriculture, and I will show you biodiversity, and inside it sub notebooks conservation, and I will show you my notes on conservation. See, that's my notes. Okay, or just like I had made another GS4 sociology paper 1, sociology paper 2 and essay notebook. It help in making e-notes and revise effectively. Okay, I hope this video helps you. If you face any problem with in this video or in using the e-note making or e-note, then comment on this video. I will help you as I can. Okay, if there is any doubt you can comment on it. Okay, thank you. All the best for your UPSC preparation.